Okay, in this video we're going to calculate the resistance in a parallel circuit. So let us bring up our circuit. We have a battery, a power source. We have one resistor, two resistors, three resistors in parallel. Let us put in the values. So we have a 5 ohm resistor here. We have a 10 ohm resistor here. And we have a 15 ohm resistor here. Now we can calculate it by using the inverse formula, and when we do our calculations, a rule of thumb is our answer should be less than the smallest resistor. So in other words, if I come up with an answer that's bigger than 5 or more than 5 ohms, something went wrong somewhere. I have to recheck my calculations. So let me bring up my calculator. Actually, let me continue on. That is my formula. 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 15. And that is the ultimate answer. But let's show you how we did this. Clear that. And let's go ahead and do 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 15 gives me the bottom half of my formula. That gives me this sum here. 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 15 is 0.366. That is the bottom half of my formula. But in order to make that a workable number, I have to invert it. Now I can use my inverse button, 1 over x button, and get the same answer. And I have 2.72. Or I can take that number and put it into my memory, clear that, and go 1 divided by what I just put into memory, and that should give me the same answer, 2.72. And that became my answer here. My total resistance in this circuit is 2.73, which is less than my smallest resistor, so it's probably a good number. If I were to put a meter across this, I would read a total resistance of 2.73.